Hey, what's up, guys? So we're back. We're back to the barn find. There's the Camaro. So yeah, nobody's been in here for a while. As you can see, looking at that tarp, all the bird poop on it. And bird poop everywhere. Here goes Gene into tow mode. He ain't messing around. Getting her, Gene?
Getting her, bud.
What do you need, Bob? There's a lot of bird crap. Might catch some sort of disease. That's a wrinkle wall.
Just like that, she's on the trigger.
Go. She's coming to life already, loaded up after sitting here for 10 years or longer. I love it. Is this the first time you've seen it?
Yeah.
Now you own it.
Now I own it. Weird how that stuff works out.
Gene, what did you tell me a minute ago?
This isn't going to your house, bud. This became a repo.
Yeah, this is stuck to the truck now. Look at how fat those tires are. So sweet.
Hey, little guy.
What do you got, a spider?
No, a little wasp, bud. Right where I was gonna stick my finger.
You can't park there.
You ready for this?
Couldn't have happened to a better little thing. So, this is a 1967 Camaro. Notice these tires haven't been pumped up in a long time. They've been sitting here flat for you know, several years. Let's see if we can get these straps even around that tire. That's a trick in itself, isn't it? Kind of hard to do when they're 3 feet wide, huh? What do you think, Gene? Did we do good?
We did good, bud.
There it goes. I guess he was just joking. He said, see you later. Guess he's coming back for us. Look at the stance on the back of that car. Wow, look at that. Man, tell me that's not beautiful. This car was built by a guy named Steve Egan, a good friend of mine's father, and he passed away. It's been several years ago, and it was placed in this shop just after he passed away and not touched since. They covered it up with the intentions of getting it running eventually, and so here we are. We're going to take this, we're going to get it running, driving, play around with it, and we would love for you guys to join along. Well, she's loaded up. We're going to get her back to the shop and hopefully get this thing running and driving. I'm super excited. I can't tell you how excited I am. Okay, let's get her unloaded, put it back in front of the El Camino, and we'll try to get her running. So did you convince him that it's yours yet, Gene?
No, he told me to take it.
Well,
couldn't have it.
possession's 9/10 of the law.
Oh, I know.
So if it's here, we own it, right? I know, it's here now.
Hey, we ready?
Yeah. This is a beautiful car. It was painted just before it was stored away. Just after he painted it, he decided he wanted to tub it and turn it into a drag car. So he got under there, cut out the entire back end of the car. He put in tubs. He did all the sheet metal work. He put in a roll cage, a narrow rear end, a 4-link suspension. It's all been done. It just needs to be finished up. There's a few things that need to be finished welded. There's just a few things to button up on this car. We have all the parts to make this car complete, and we're excited to make it a running, driving car. We would love to one day take it down the drag strip. We'll see where we go with it. We appreciate you guys watching, and keep watching. Like, share, subscribe, do all those things so that when it comes time to building this car, you guys can watch us build it.